Hi everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you about the RA-36. This is a multi-tool rack, and this rack is designed to fit on pickup trucks with stake pockets. It also will fit onto like gators, little utility vehicles. That some of them are also equipped with stake pockets, and this could be used for estate use in one of those kind of vehicles. Or of course it can be used on a pickup if you don't have the need for a trailer. You might be able to use this kit to carry everything you need. Now this kit comes with four 4-foot long bars. Two get bolted together to form an 8-foot piece, which is a standard truck bed. This particular bed is only 6.5 feet, so this could be cut down just for safety purposes if you don't want the extra hanging off. This one is the RA-36. This comes with 2 spots for weed whackers. We also have this same kit as an RA-37, exact same thing, but only holds 1 weed whacker. Now these racks are lockable right here. Come on around the other side, I'll show you what else comes with this kit. This is the other set of rails, also assembled to the 8-foot mark, can be cut down, no problem. And this side has 3 racks on it, one for your backpack blower, your trim line, and your beverage cooler. The backpack blower rack is also lockable right up here. The trim line rack can accept either a 3 or 5 pound spool, and the cooler rack can accept a 5-gallon cooler. It could also accept things like sprayers and the like.